Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Akib and today I'm going to show you how you can send messages to your newly added customers on their WhatsApp every week automatically. So guys, sending messages on WhatsApp is a great way to connect with your growing customers base, and with the help of this automation that I'm going to show you, you do not have to manually exert yourself for sending those messages. It will happen automatically as per your predefined schedule. So guys, you can set up this automation without any coding just by a few clicks. Let me show you how. To set up the workflow of this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool, and you will find the sign up page of this tool in the description. From there, you can sign up for free and get free automation tasks every month. So guys, sign up right now from the given link and then sign in to reach this dashboard. From here, you can click on this create workflow button. Here you have to provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So I have given this name here. Now let me click on create button and you will see the workflow page getting ready like this. And on this page, you will find the basic building blocks of this automation. These are the trigger and the action. So trigger is that event which starts the workflow, and the action would be the automated response of the trigger. Here in our use case, guys, we want that this workflow should run every week and then check our spreadsheet in which we are adding the data of new customers. And this workflow is going to check the message status here from this column E and see if the status is sent or pending. So if it shows pending here, a message will be sent to that new customer on WhatsApp automatically. Okay, so it can be a promotional message, a welcome message, or any type of transactional message as well. Okay, so here guys, to make this workflow run every week, we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called schedule by Pabbly. So you will find the schedule feature here. Just select it and then you have to select the interval of time on which this workflow is going to run. So here you have to select days of the week option. Then you have to select the day on which you want to run this workflow every week. So I'm selecting, let's say, every Tuesday this workflow should run at this time. So you can choose a desired time as well. So I'm selecting 10:10 a.m. Okay, right? Then click on save and your workflow is scheduled. You can see now it is scheduled to run every week on Tuesday at this time. Okay, now what we want this workflow to do by on every Tuesday, we want this data to be checked. So for this to happen, use this action window and here connect with Google Sheets and use the action event as get rows. Okay, select get rows option, then click on connect. From here, select add new connection, then click on sign in with Google. From this window, you have to choose that Google account by which you have created the spreadsheet. Then you have to provide some additional access to your sheet. So just click on continue and you will be connected in a few moments. You can see we are now connected, and here start is asking to select the spreadsheet's name, select the sheet's name and put a range here from where the data is coming. So the spreadsheet's name is this, named as SMS data. Okay, so let me select it from this list, SMS data. And here the sheet's name, sheet is only one, named as sheet 1, so it will be auto populated. Here it is asking for the range of data. So guys, to get the range, you have to start selecting the data. Start selecting from the first row of data and keep on selecting till the last row. And then after selecting the data, in the name box, you will find this code A2:E2. This means that we have the data starting from column A, row number 2, and it is ending at column E, row number 4. Okay. Sorry, let me select it again. Okay. A2:E4. So this is the range of data we have. Just copy this range and paste it here. Now guys, this is a static range. Static range means it is going to get the data of all these 3 rows only. Okay, but if you are changing the data, if you are adding or subtracting rows here, we need to put a dynamic range here so that every time the rows added, the added rows will also be fetched. For that, you just have to erase the end limit here. Here you have to put the range like this, A2 colon E. This means that we have the data starting from column A, row number 2, and it is ending at column E, but we do not know at which row number it is ending. So just put E here, okay? Now click on Save and Send Test Request button to get the data, but before this, remember to toggle this simple response button to off. Why we are doing this, I'll tell you. Just toggle this off, then click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here in the response, you will get the data in this array of data format. Here you can see in this response result label, we got the data in this array format. We got the data in array format because we have toggled this simple response button to off, and we got the data in this advanced format. Okay, so why we get this data here like this? Because now I'm going to click here on this plus icon to add one more action window, and here in this action window I'm going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect which is called iterator. So what iterator will do, iterator is going to segregate this data in one by one form. Okay, so iterator is going to make this workflow run one by one, starting from the first row, then for second, then for third, and so on. Okay, that's why we have captured this data in this format by toggling this off. Now you can use iterator here. Select iterator option, then select, then it will ask to choose the array that you have got in this previous step. Here you just have to click and the previous step will appear like this. From here you can map the response result label, then click on Save and Send Test Request button, and in the result you will find the data like this. Here it started showing the first name, last name, email address, and the phone number, and here is the same thing. You can see in the first row we have demo user. Here we got demo user, and it is showing the data of first row only for now, but in real time when it's going to work, it is going to work for first row, then for second, then for third, and for so on. Okay, now guys, as I have told you that I want to send the message to the customers only when the message status shows you this pending option. Okay, here it started here it is showing pending in this third row and this fourth row. Okay, so how to apply this condition here? To apply this condition, just click on this plus icon, and from this action window use filter feature of Pabbly Connect. So filter is going to filter out those customers whose message status is pending. Okay, for that what you can do, here you can see as we have selected filter by Pabbly, it is asking to select the label, select the filter type, and put a value here. So when you click on this select label option, the previous steps will appear here like this. So from the last iterator window, iterator step, just click on it. You will find the message status label as well. Just select it here and make the filter type equals to, and in the value put pending. Okay, pending as it is, as you have entered here, given the option here. Okay, so I have entered this pending. This means we are applying the condition that when the message status label in the previous step shows you this pending word, then only send a WhatsApp message, otherwise do not send. Okay, so when you click on Save and Send Test Request button, here it will show you the result, and in the result you can see it is showing the condition is false. Okay, why it is showing the condition is false? Because right now in the data that we have got here, you can see the message status is showing sent. That means a message is already sent to this customer. So this workflow will not work and stop it here. But in real time, when this condition matches true, the workflow will continue and send a message. Now to send a message on WhatsApp, click here on this plus icon, and from this last step, connect with Interact application. So Interact is a business WhatsApp API provider application by which you can get the access of WhatsApp's API to send messages to your customers on their WhatsApps. So here in the action event, select send WhatsApp template message option. Okay, then click on connect button. From here, select add new connection, and here it is asking for the secret API key of Interact application to make the connection with Interact. Okay, so to get this key, you need to read the instructions here. Let me show you directly. This is my Interact application, guys, and let me open the dashboard. Okay, and in this application, on the bottom left hand side, you will find the settings tab. Click on it, then click on settings once again. Under the settings page, you will find this developer settings option. Here is the secret key that we needed. Just copy this key and paste it here in the secret key field like this, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Interact. Right, so after getting connected, it will ask for entering the country code and the phone number of your customer to whom you want to send the message, or you can apply the full phone number here along with this plus sign and the country code. So guys, we have got the phone number details of our customers from the spreadsheet in the trigger. Okay, and we have separated out the data here. So from this iterator step only, I am going to map this mobile number label here in this step, in this full phone number field. So just click here, and from this iterator step, map the full phone number label. And here you have to enter the plus sign as well. So let me put the plus sign manually. Okay, right. And here it is asking for the templates code name. So guys, what are these templates? So guys, to send messages on WhatsApp to customers, first of all, you need to create message templates inside Interact application. So message templates are predefined message structures that you can use, that you can create to send messages to multiple people at once on WhatsApp. Okay, so for different purposes, you can create different kind of templates. It can be marketing templates, or it can be any kind of template. So I have created a template here for sending a welcome message to my customers, and this is the template you can see. And in a template, you can have a header in which you can send text, image, video, or document. And here in the body field, you can type the text that you want to send, the whole body. Here you can see I have written, hello, welcome to Pabbly, your request has been received, and one of our team member will contact you shortly and ask your requirements. Meanwhile, you can check your website. This is a kind of message I have created for a new customer. You can create messages as per your requirement. Okay, and after creating this template and getting it approved, you can use it in our automation workflow. So to put the language code here, you can see in the instructions, just open your code. Where is code? Okay, sorry, here. You can open your message template, and the URL of the page, you will get the code name here after this template slash and slash view. Okay, let me show you. I have opened the welcome message template, and on the top URL, you can see in the page URL, we got this template slash and slash view. Between this, we got this template code. Just copy this and paste it here in this template code name field. Then it will ask for the language code. So guys, Interact is a multilingual application. You can create messages in many languages. I have created in English, and the code of English language is EN for normal English, and for American English, it is EN_US. Okay, so put it accordingly. Then if you are sending any header, you can put the header value here, but we are not sending it right now, so I'm leaving the field blank. Then it will ask for the body variable values. So what are these body variables? So guys, here you can see in this message, I have this 1 in double curly braces after hello, then 2 and 3. These placeholders are called body variables. So guys, you can use these body variables to send different kind of information every time you are going to send an automated message. So guys, here you can see every time I'm going to send a message to a new customer, the name can change here. The website, if you have different websites or different web pages, that link can change here. And this person who is sending this message, the name of that person can also change here, because we have 3 variables which can change dynamically with every new message. And to get the data changed dynamically with every new message, you need to enter the value of the body variables here in this field in your workflow. So I'm going to map this data via the trigger application, okay, because we are having the data of our customers here in the spreadsheet and it is coming in the trigger, and from the trigger I'm going to map the body variables. So the first body variable is for the name of the customer, so I'm going to map it from the iterator step, only from the iterator, because iterator is going to churn out the things for us. So map the first name, then put a comma here. Second body variables for the website address, so just copy the website from your website, okay, just put the address here, then put a comma again and fill the third variable. Third variable is for the name of the person who is sending the message, so let me fill my name, okay, right. So after mapping, so guys, I have, you can see, entered this website address and my name manually. So these two things will remain static because I have entered the things manually, but the name of the customer is mapped here, so it will change every time this workflow is going to run, okay. So this is the benefit of mapping the data. So now it is asking for positioning the CTA or call to action button. So if you are having a CTA in your message, you can put the position here. Right now we do not have any, okay, so I am just leaving these two things blank. Now you can check your connection with WhatsApp by clicking on save and send test request button, and the message will be sent to this number that you have mapped here, but this is not an original number. So to show you the demo of the message, I'm going to place my WhatsApp number and I'm going to show you the message on my WhatsApp account, okay. And guys, we have received a new message on WhatsApp, and this is the message. It is showing, hello demo, welcome to Pabbly. Your request has been received and one of our team members will contact you shortly to ask your requirement. Meanwhile, you can check the website. Thank you, Akib. Here you can see in place of the body variables, the data placed correctly. The name is here, the website address is here, and my name is also here. So this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up the automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, it will work automatically whenever you are going to add a new row here or change the status of the message as pending. The workflow will run and send an automated message every week to new customers. And I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.